Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend every week doing research, building slides, filling out spreadsheets, writing web pages, or scripting content? Now imagine this. One single AI tool doing all of that for you in minutes, not hours. And the final result looks like you had an entire professional team behind it. That's exactly what Skywork does. And today, I'm going to walk you through everything it can generate in real time. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a business owner, a startup founder, or a content creator, Skywork will completely change the way you work. So let's jump straight into the first feature, deep research. But before we get into generating content, let me quickly show you how the Skywork dashboard works, because this is where everything begins. When you open the dashboard, you'll see a panel on the left where you manage your entire workflow. At the top, you can create a new project by clicking New Project. Skywork uses a project system because this isn't just a simple chat. It's a full workspace, and staying organized is important. Every time you start something new, give it a clear name. You can even schedule tasks with your preferred AI agent. Just type a title, write your prompt, choose when you want it to run, and Skywork will execute it automatically. With the free plan, you can schedule only one task, and if you want to automate more workflows in the background, you'll need to upgrade. But the feature is honestly worth it if you rely on repeated tasks. If you don't want to schedule anything, you can manually choose your AI agent, for example, the slides generator, and jump straight into the workspace. Here you can upload files from your computer, fetch documents from your knowledge base, and use several tools available on the sidebar. Once your first project is created, click on Projects to view all your saved work. Each project has a three-dot menu that lets you rename or delete it. And trust me, renaming is essential, because if you end up with tons of projects, finding the right one without proper names will drive you crazy. Back on the dashboard, the Scheduled Tasks section shows all your automated tasks, and if you don't have any, you'll see a Start option to create one easily. In the knowledge base, you'll find every file you've uploaded, and you can add more at any time. And finally, the Showcase tab displays all Skyworks AI agents along with examples for each one so you can understand exactly what they do. Now that you know how the dashboard works, let's start our first test, deep research. I began by asking Skywork to analyze OpenAI's projected growth and industry impact in 2025, including opportunities around multimodal AI, competition from companies like Google DeepMind and Anthropic, potential challenges in AI safety regulation, and the global demand for enterprise AI tools. In just a few minutes, Skywork generated a complete research document with revenue projections, comparisons between emerging models, trends in AI adoption, and expert predictions on how AI assistants will shape productivity. Normally, gathering this amount of data would take hours, but Skywork turned it into a polished report almost instantly. Next, I tested AI slide generation. I asked Skywork to create a 5-slide presentation explaining how generative AI works, including visuals and simple examples. Within seconds, it produced a complete professional-looking slide deck. Every slide came with diagrams to illustrate concepts like neural networks and transformers, short explanations for beginners, and practical examples that made everything easy to understand. I could regenerate slides individually, add new ones, or export the whole presentation directly to Google Slides or PPTX. Then I tried spreadsheet creation. I asked Skywork to build a project tracking sheet for managing a small AI launch campaign, things like tasks, owners, deadlines, and progress status. Skywork responded instantly with a clean, organized spreadsheet that was fully editable and perfectly structured for collaboration. This removes so much manual formatting and helps keep everything moving smoothly. After that, I tested the poster generator, and this one honestly surprised me. Skywork uses Nano Banana under the hood, which is one of the best image models right now for high-quality visuals. I asked it to create a clean promotional poster for an AI workshop with a bold headline, a futuristic design, and professional layout. In just a few seconds, it generated a poster that looked like it came straight out of a real design studio. Sharp colors, perfect typography, and layout that didn't need any fixing. I could regenerate different versions, tweak the content, or export it instantly. If you're a content creator, marketer, or someone who needs fast, eye-catching visuals, this poster tool is honestly a cheat code. Next, I explored web page generation. I asked Skywork to create a landing page for an AI productivity app with a headline, feature list, testimonials, and a strong call to action. Skywork immediately produced a full HTML page with a clean hero section, well-structured content blocks, and a modern layout. I could preview it, edit any part, or export it directly. If you build landing pages or work in marketing, this feature is insanely useful. Then I tested podcast generation. I asked Skywork to create a 10-minute post about the future of multimodal AI in 2025, and it delivered a complete polished audio file instantly. The structure was clean, the pacing was natural, and the voice quality sounded like a real studio recording.
Hello and welcome to Tech Horizons. I'm Alex Chen, your guide through the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Today, we're diving...
It included smooth transitions, clear explanations, and real examples of upcoming tools, all in a format that you can literally download and publish directly on YouTube or any podcast platform without doing anything else. And that's all for this video. Personally, Skywork really impressed me with how much it can handle and how fast it delivers everything. If you want to test Skywork yourself, I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it out directly. And if there's anything you didn't understand in the video, feel free to like, comment, and ask. I always reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.